Yo, what up Instagrammers, tubers, girl groups, and cannon buzzers? Stone Steady here with Cherry Productions. Check it out, Grandmas Grandmads. We received our refill package from Team TNBNaturals. Thanks again, you guys. Make sure you guys check out all their links posted in my description. Their products are well built and great for our grows. They sent over all sorts of stuff for us to try out, test, and review. It's super cool. First off, they sent over the replacement and enhancer CO2 dispersal canisters. They come pre-filled. All you have to do is add your liter of water to them and shake them once every day for optimal use. And then you can rip off the sticker or poke a hole in it like I do. These give off a hot shot of 900 through 1200 ppms of high quality CO2 for a 12 by 12 area. And then they also sent over their enricher. It's a natural plant booster and corrective supplement. It's all natural. I've seen some great things from this. Looks really simple and easy to use. It's a product of Canada. And then to go with that, they sent over their TNBNaturals TNB Up and Down. It's granulated. It doesn't take a lot at all to use. It works really good. And then they sent over 2 packages of their TNBNaturals rolling papers. You can check them out at tnbnaturals.com. And then on the inside, they have these little cool messages and stuff. Let me show you real quick. Yeah. Check them out on YouTube for bi-weekly giveaways. Super cool. And then they sent us over the TNBNaturals trimming shears, a curved blade and a straight blade. Look great. They have maximum comfort. Heck yeah. And then they sent over their skunk magazine. Super nice. And check this out. TNBNaturals represent, baby. And then last but not least, if I could spit it out, they sent over all sorts of super cool and sweet, neat slaps and stickers, informational cards, some magnets. I'll flip over a couple of these cards and check them out. Super cool. Try not to be so shaky, you guys. I hope all you guys are staying well, warm, and blessed, and that your grows are looking great too. There's a couple of magnets right here. Rock on, you guys. It's super cool. Thank you very much, TNBNaturals. Really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Happy growing. Much love. Cheers.